The world is mine, nigga, get back.
Man, that's a nice bass now. Right there. You build those? You make those right there?
Yes.
Oh man, I need the contact information. That is smooth. Hey, man.
Shut the door.
Shut the door. Man, that bass line is serious, man. What you running here, man?
212, 5K amp.
Skar?
Yeah, Skar,
Yep.
VBA.
Yeah, VBA.
I ain't gonna eat, I ain't gonna.
Nice, man.
Thank you.
Ooh, yeah. What kind of amp you say you running on these?
I don't even remember.
Let me get some footage of that thing too, man. Man, that is nice. Oh, you can't beat that.
Yeah. It's the Sundown Audio SFB 5000.
SFB 5000. Yeah, that's nice, man. You put everything together yourself?
Yeah, just prefab two-bone box. It's 2 AGM batteries back here.
Man, it's definitely sounding good.
See, the other night it had 2 EBLs in here, and we changed everything out in 2 hours. New head unit, subs, amp.
This time it just put in then.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a quick one. Where can they find you at on social media? You on social media anywhere?
Nah, not on social media.
Not much, not much.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna leave one of my cards that way you can look on the channel and see your video, man.
All right.
I appreciate it, bro.
Thank you, man.
Man, you got some nice work in here, man.
All right, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. There you go.
Oh, awesome, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you.